In this series, I'm gonna take you guys to a virtual tour of Ladakh 2021.
So good morning guys. So it's the day 2. We are gonna leave from Manali to Sarchu now. Like it's morning kitna baje abhi? So yeah, it's morning 7 o'clock. So by 7:30 or 7:45 we are gonna leave for Sarchu. So it's probably gonna be 8 to 10 hours drive. We'll be having sightseeing and all everything. Okay, now it's cold. Little bit, not much. Then now we'll go and have some breakfast. That's it. We are done our packing and all, and we'll be leaving. So, and Inderveer is here. Just taking some shot, as you can see. Anmol is here. Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
Yeah, Kumbhakaran idhar hai. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, I'll see you guys on the breakfast table.
बस थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा करके हम निकल पड़े सारचू की ओर। तो दोस्तों, ले चलता हूँ मैं आप सभी को इन वादियों में, और हाँ, स्किप करने की अनुमति है नहीं आपको।
So guys, ये देखो राखी all the way from Europe और ये passport cover all the way from Europe, दीदी all the way from असम सिक्किम नहीं पता कहाँ से हर जगह से, and best sister I'll tell you, मेरा बहुत फायदा भी है घूमने मिलता है ऐसा दीदी सबको मिले नहीं सबको नहीं मिला मेरे को सिर्फ मिला
सिर्फ फायदा के लिए मेरे साथ घूमता है फायदा के लिए राखी पहना है देखो
अच्छा
मेरा शगुन का है
शगुन किमान लगा तुम्हारा टीटा दिसिलो ना 23,000 हाउ डिड यू फील एक्सपेक्टेशन लेवल में कैसा लगा तुमको
भाई?
सच बताओ
जब एंटर किए थे ना ऐसा लग रहा था नहीं कि हम लोग कुछ मतलब बहुत अच्छा वाला वाइब आ गया ना, और जब एग्जिट किए द व्यू
या
सुभान अल्लाह व्यू
स्पेशली गाइस
when you exit the tunnel na, the view is spectacular.
Like, I'm telling you now, you just get a feeling which you can't even express out. Like
मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है बोलने।
There was like I was stunned. I didn't expect this. Literally, I didn't expect at all that I'm gonna get this view. And this was the view. This river and this mountain over there. So now we are in this Lahore. Now we'll be heading towards Sarchu, and that's it, guys. You enjoy the roads. I'll show you as best I can show you, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video and do share it, guys. Guys, we stopped in Jispa right now. Okay, so you can see the view. You can see the view here. So looking at the view, we stopped. We thought of flying the drone. I flew the drone. Then something happened which literally I felt very bad. Inderveer also started flying his drone, and because of the wind speed, and his drone is mini too, so it couldn't handle the wind speed and it went down and it crashed. Okay, but so you can see that the back side it's broken, and one leg from this part it's broken. Thankfully, like, nothing happened to the gimbal, so it can be repaired. At least we got the drone back, and very thanks to Dinesh Bhaiya who went all the way down. Like it's very deep and it's very tough. Okay, guys, he went down till there. Okay, and then he brought the drone back, and a lot of thanks a lot to him. Man, I stopped flying now because I got scared looking at his drone. But at last we got the drone back, and yeah, one propeller is also missing. But propeller we have extra, that's not a big deal. But yeah, at least we got the drone back. So bro, don't be upset.
No problem.
Okay, it happens when you fly something. जब नया चीज कुछ भी सीखो होता है ऐसा. So guys, we have reached this place called Deepak Tal. So I'll show you guys. So this is the lake. This is called as Deepak Tal, and I'm still gonna take the risk of flying the drone, and I'll give you some amazing shots.
Too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you
So guys, finally we reached Sarchu after a very hectic journey. I'm telling you guys, it's in 14,500 feet, and this is our campsite. No electricity, nothing. It's just like it runs on solar power and all, and it's very cold, very cold. And even my oxygen level dropped once. Even now while speaking right now, it's very difficult. And here is our teddy bear, Lil Pahi, Lil Teddy.
बट मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है?
ओके.
हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन चिप्स.
मैं जाऊँ और पानी पड़ा.
I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait.
So, good morning guys, all the way from Sarchu, and it's around 6 in the morning, and the view that I just saw from, after waking up was it's just amazing. शब्द नहीं है बयां करने के लिए. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ व्यू अभी. This is the view. Okay, the sunrise just happened, and behind those there is this snow-capped mountains, and Indarbeer is also here.
Good morning.
And it's way too cold, guys. It's very cold. Didn't expect that much. And yesterday I couldn't make much video because I was not well actually. I had gastric and I didn't even have my dinner. And on top of that, low oxygen, you can't even talk. अभी भी मैं आप लोग से बात कर रहा हूँ और सांस फूल रही है इधर. So I'll show you guys this view from the top. So drone shots in 3, 2, 1.
देखता था इन पहाड़ों को दूसरों की तस्वीरों में. आज इन्हीं पहाड़ों को बसाया अपनी तस्वीरों में.
So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed the drone shots, and now we'll get freshen up and have our breakfast and all, and we'll leave for Leh. So today we'll be going Leh, and we'll be crossing this Tangdangla Pass and Moreh Plains, Gata Loops and all everything. So that's it. I'll go freshen up and then leave for Leh. So guys, the sun came out nicely. We are sitting under the sun, and now a little bit we are feeling fresh. It's too fucking cold, man. Literally.
It's not f***ing cold. It's like the sickness, high altitude.
Yeah, high altitude.
Very,
Yeah,
it's
because
pressuring us.
we have been to Khirganga and all. It was more like
cold over there.
कपड़ा खोल दो, कभी ठंडी लगेगी.
But me and Inder we went to so many places. We never felt this, but this is the first time we are feeling, and we are forced to take medicine for that. Like guys, I'm telling you.
हमारी अंदर है अभी.
Yeah, Dimox. So, guys, if you guys are coming here, please carry this Dimox tablet with yourself. And one more thing, if you can avoid staying in Sarchu, please do it. I'm telling you. Anything else?
शक्ल देख ले भाई, कैसी हो चुकी है. रात से सिर दर्द ही नहीं गया अभी तक.
तो भाई तुम कुछ बताओगे?
बिंदास सोने का.
तुम्हारा बात ही अलग है. So we'll go have some breakfast and then have the medicine and leave, man. Guys, we are leaving from Sarchu now, heading towards Leh. We are moving towards the car. Bunny is here. कैसा लग रहा है भाई?
बहुत ठंडा, अभी गर्म.
Yeah, it's too hot now. Before it was like so freaking cold, but now it's too freaking hot.
Now I'm tired.
Now I'll show you the roads. You enjoy the roads from Sarchu to Leh.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began.
So guys, we are stuck.
There's some stones and landslides area in front of them, and now we are thinking what to do. So I was still telling him to click my photos as I am the hero of the vlog. But he is not interested in, so I am making the vlog.
Man, we are hungry and I think we are stuck here for more than an hour.
Look the tram,
On
guys.
top of that,
Look the tram, guys.
we met them, na? Captain, trip captain.
तो हमारे यहाँ पे अभी लैंडस्लाइड हो गई है. अभी पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा. आई गेस 1.5 घंटा जैसे लगेगा ये अभी.
खाना दो ना, खाना.
क्या
खाना.
क्या करूँगी अभी. भगवान भूख भी लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Zanskar river, no? If I'm wrong, little Pahi, comment.
Yeah, this is Janskar only.
Until you break down. Break down. Until you break down.
So guys, we reached this Tanglangla Pass, which is at the height of 17,582 feet. This is still now the highest pass that we have reached. Can't talk, man. I'll just show you guys.
They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is
झूलते झूलते गाड़ी में हम पहुंच गए थे ले. बस बने रहिए मेरे साथ इस सफ़र में और मैं मिलता हूँ आप सभी को अगले एपिसोड में. टिल देन, स्टे सेफ एंड पीस.